Namaste bachcho, I am your Hindi teacher Pooja Sutar going to say you how to read these words, how to read these Hindi words. कैसे हमें हिंदी इस वर्ड्स को पढ़ना है। उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले हमें सब वर्ण को पहचानना पड़ेगा. We should identify all the letters first. Plus we should identify all the symbols also. Then only we can able to read these words. Then उसके बाद ही हम लोग ये सबको पढ़ पाएंगे. Okay. Before going to tell you, I will tell you about 12 symbols. We have totally in Hindi 12 symbols. These 12 symbols are coming from vowels. We have 13 vowels. First vowels we don't have any symbols. That's why totally we have 12 symbols. Like a standing line. This is small e symbols. Badi e symbols. Choti u symbols. Badi u symbols. Ru symbols. A की मात्रा, I की मात्रा, O की मात्रा. मात्रा means symbols. Okay. 12 खड़ी मात्रा I have wrote. Say that's 12 खड़ी means 12 symbols. Ang means this is it will come in up. Aha it will come inside. So I wrote like that. And this and all will come in the down. Okay students. If you will use all the symbols in letters, according to that we will pronounce the words. Suppose हम लोग क को इसमें इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो कैसे होगा? क आ का हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. म सपोज यहाँ पे इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो म छोटी मी. सेम म इफ यू यूज हियर म प्लस बड़ी ई की मात्रा मी. हियर इफ यू आर यूजिंग द र देन बड़ी ऊ मात्रा छोटी ऊ मात्रा रू. According to that only if you add all the letters with symbols, the pronouns will be changed. Same like we can read here. First of all, we need to find it out. What is this letter? This letter is sa. Sa, and which matra is this? This is the matra of u. Then what will come? Sa plus u. Sa plus this u matra will come. Means what will come? Su, sau, su. Then sa, usu, ma, na. Suman. Suman means flower. Here the, ra, and here one matra is given or symbols is given. Which symbol this is? This is the symbols of badi e. Means the plus badi e or big E. Badi E means big E is equal to T. This one is the small e, this is a big E. Okay, the symbols is given here. Ta plus badi E, T. Ta plus badi E, T. Then dha, ra, ta, e, ti. Dharti. Like pa, la, na, a. A की symbols na, na. Palana means cradle. ये कौन सा मात्रा? विच मात्रा दिस इज द मात्रा ऑफ बड़ी ऊ और बिग ऊ की मात्रा. एंड दिस इज स्मॉल ऊ मात्रा और स्मॉल ऊ सिंबल्स. दिस सिंबल्स इज एडेड हियर. इन विच लेटर इट इज एडेड? इट्स एडेड इन र. र ऊ रूप, रूप फॉर्म. दिस इज श. दिस लेटर्स इज श plus o. Sha, osho, bha, bha, shobha means grace. According to that only we will read. First of all we need to remember all these words, all these letters. पहले हमें ये letters लोगों को याद करना होगा. We can able to find it out. Suppose if you know the letters with symbols then you can easily read. Here is no symbols, only letters are given. What are the letters? Ga plus na. Ga, ga, na. Gagan means sky. Here also there is no symbols. Ura, ur means heart. Here symbols, there are two symbols in one words. This is the first symbol. What is this symbol? This symbol is here. This is the symbol of E. And this is the second word. What is this symbols? This is the symbol of this. This is also E. But this is E. This is small e. This is big E. Then khai, khi, la, taiti, khilati. Khilati means blooms. Then how you will read? In the reading time, don't be confused. Reading time, you need to remember all the letters. What is this letter first? Then after that, we need to remember symbols. Then you reading time, how to read? Sa, usu, mana, suman, flower. Dha, ra, taiti, dharati means earth. Pa, la, na, na, palana means cradle. Ra, Raurupa means form. How I am reading, like that also you can read, but for that we should remember all the letters and symbols. These 12 symbols, if you are reading and remembering with all the Vyanjan consonants and swar, then you can read easily to all the letters. Thank you, students.